this is Janet with Try It Like It Create It, and today we're going to be taking a look at these watercolor pencils from Yasutomo. There's 36 colors in the case, and what it says here is you can draw with them and then brush with water, use as a portable paint, or use wet or dry for detail. So it comes nicely packaged. I've already taken the outside wrapper off, and you can see that there are 36 sharpened pencils in the tube. And so let's just sample a few here. And I have some watercolor paper in front of me here, and so what I'm going to do is just do some coloring, and it seems to be very nice and creamy as I draw, and I'm getting good solid coverage as I push down, and I'm not pushing down too terribly hard, but if I back off and go light, I can see that I can get a lighter existence of it. And so I'm just taking a few different colors here just to see what the coverage is like, and then we'll test it with water and see how that goes. Want to note that there is a white in here and also a black. Since the paper's white, I'm not gonna do a test on the paper with the white. But just grabbing a range of colors here. Let me grab a green just to kind of get a variety here. And then I am going to be using this all-purpose brush from Yasutomo to use with the watercolors, and it says that this is an SW3, and this is what the brush looks like. A lot of times used for Chinese writing or calligraphy, but for today we're going to use it to blend out the watercolor. So to cover just on top to make a blend, it works well. To carry it out, I'm getting a lighter version of the color. Still pretty bright in its presence. So let's see here on the lighter version, and then we'll go over the darker. So it smooths out the strokes, but then it also allows us to do a nice paint with it. So the strokes in the pink are still visible, and so I'm guessing with some of the lighter colors that the color itself is not blocking out the stroke. So there, the yellow was much lighter. Let's see what the black does. Got a hair in that one. As far as washing the brush, I am not getting a lot of color shift in my water or on my towel as I wipe it off. And the green is being really pale, but it is giving a very nice watercolor effect there. So let's go into this flower here and just go over things and see how we can do some color blending. And this is just a drawing that I've already kind of penciled in here just to give it a look. And so I'm going to layer in my colors.